In this video, I am going to show you how to get to your FIP module lessons. So first, you need to make sure that you are working and opening Google Chrome as your browser, not Internet Explorer. Make sure you're in Google Chrome. Go ahead and log into your employee portal. Then you need to go over to the PD&E tool. Alright, under My Courses, you should see something titled AS Formative Instruction Practices. Do not click on it. Just find it. If you cannot find it, click Show All down here, and then search in the rest of your courses. So once you find it, you need to make sure, it's very, very, very important that you only click on Peachtree ES. If for some reason you didn't do that and you selected the actual title, then you need to watch my other video on clearing your cache. So go ahead and select Peachtree ES, and now it's going to bring you to the FIP module website. So the very first thing we have to do is you have to set up an account for yourself. So scroll down. Alright, and then under FIP Introduction and Resources, number 3 says GADOE FIP Login. So click on that. Now here we need to come down to where it says Create an Account in blue. Click on that. Now you need to type in your email address. Alright, next you have to type in an access code, and the access code is 667-5056 capital F, capital P. It's very important that you have capital letters and then the dashes where they belong. So then click Continue. And then this is where you'll type in your basic information. So after you do that, and make sure it's a password you can remember that you've typed in, so use your Lotus Notes password, your portal password, something you'll remember, click Continue, and then it'll have your information that you can confirm, click Create. Alright, then it asks you if you want to save your password or no. If you notice it has your birthday, it doesn't have your email address, and when you sign in, you actually need to sign in with your email address, so I would click No. Then simply can read this and click Agree. And now you're brought to a screen that you need to click My Learning. Alright, now that we've created your FIP account, we need to add the courses that you need to do. So we need to change the display by from Learning Path to Courses. Alright, once you've changed the display by to courses, you're going to click Enroll. Once you click Enroll, go ahead and choose Courses again. And then you want to look for FP 1001, so it should have a 1 at the end. And you want to put a check next to that because that's the first course in the program. Then you want to choose the one that ends with a 2, because that's the second course in the program. So you should have those two checked, ends with a 1 and ends with a 2. Then if for some reason you don't see 1 and 2 on the first page, you can go to the second page, but hopefully you'll see 1 and 2 on the first page. Then click Enroll. Then in here on this page, you don't have to do anything except click Enroll. And now you're enrolled for the FIP 1 and 2 courses. Alright, now that you're registered for the 2 courses that we have to complete, if you just want to continue right now, you simply click Begin for the first course. Now, as you're working through the module, there are a couple places that you need to look. First, down here are your navigation arrows. It's very important that you must click anything that needs selected up here in the video space before you use your navigation arrows. So right here we have nothing to do up here, so we're going to click to the next page. And so now you can see what I'm talking about. Up here we have to read what it says, and then you click Continue. Read what it says, and then click Continue. So you have to click Continue and all the buttons up here in the workspace before you can use your navigation arrows. Alright, if you don't want to continue and do one of your FIP modules now, you can come back and do it later. Let me show you how to do that. So, if you have logged in and set up your FIP account, but you wanted to complete your modules at a later date, you log in to your portal and go to PD&E, and then go ahead and select Peachtree ES. Alright, then it should bring you to the FIP website. If it does not for some reason and your page doesn't look like this, then you need to clear your cache in Google Chrome. And just watch my video on how to create your cache. It's quick and easy. It should not take long. So then you just simply scroll down to where it says FIP Module 1 Introduction. And then you go ahead and select GADOE FIP Login. You go ahead and type in your email and your password that you chose when you set up your account. Alright, then you go to My Learning, and then you can see here are your courses. So then you simply click Resume or Begin. And that is all you need to know about how to access FIP modules.